Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today asking what do you need to focus on to attract more money into your life, and the Ten of Swords came through. And the message here is that you're feeling so defeated right now in regards to money. You feel like the weight of everything, the bills, the mortgages, the rents, the food, everything you've got to pay for. If you've got children, whatever it is, it just feels like, oh wow, I am getting taken down by all of this, and it's just really overwhelming and overloading your system, and you just feel really defeated. And I get it, I get that, and I know that it's hard out there for some people at the moment, but we need to shift this. We need to focus on other things, like being grateful that we have the money to be able to pay the bills that we can pay. Okay, so the bills that are coming in and the things that you've got to pay, just think to yourself whilst you're paying them, I'm so happy and grateful that I actually have the money to pay these things, right? And once you start to change your focus, right, on that, and instead of having a focus of like, oh my God, it's weighing me down, I feel so defeated, I can't go on, all of that kind of thing. Instead of having the mindset of that, turn it around and think, I am so happy and grateful that I have the money to be able to pay for these things that are coming in, right? And that'll start to shift your energy around money and then help to start attracting more into your life. Okay, so that's the mindset shift you need to make. Let me know if that resonates, and let me know if you are struggling and if you are going to try and, turn that around. So as you pay the bills, you say, I'm so happy and grateful I have the money to be able to pay these bills. If you don't have the money to pay the bills, say, I'm so happy and grateful that the money is coming for me to be able to pay these bills and to afford everything I want. Okay, mindset shift. Let me know if you've liked it. So hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification, because then you're notified of upcoming videos and readings that I do, and I'll chat to you all soon. Bye.